Welcome back to Lakestone Love, the video series documenting the renovation of my personal home. Welcome to Lula's bathroom. Funny thing about Lula's bathroom is a few days ago, this was the only room in the entire house that hadn't been demoed. I think Chester and I have done 7 projects in 8 years together, remodels like this, which blows my mind when I just added that up the other night. But one thing I've learned from those 7 projects is how Chester's decision-making process is, and it's like this, and mine's like that. So anyway, I knew that this bathroom was probably gonna be demoed. I knew the basement was probably gonna be demoed, but it ended up happening later. Corvette came through to demo the basement, and I was like, what about Lula's bathroom, Corvette? I was like, just demo it. It's the only thing left standing. I'm always gonna remember that about Lula's bathroom. Freshly demoed, it's gonna be the same layout. There'll be a vanity, a toilet, and then a tub shower. And Fisher's is this exact same layout too. So I've designed a step stool that is a drawer in her vanity on the very bottom. So then we don't have to have another item in here to have a step stool, which anyone who has kids knows you have to have a step stool. Really gonna make it kind of bright and pretty in here with tile, and probably doing something with a chair rail and then maybe a tile above, or just full tiling of the walls. She's got one window here, and I think it would be really nice too if the tile can then serve, have tile casing around the window as opposed to just wood casing. Will be a nice little touch. All 3 kids' bathrooms, I'll have in the 2 tub bathrooms, there'll be a shower head like you would expect and a tub filler, and then I'll also add a handheld shower on clip so that then when you're bathing kids, it's easy to just reach and get the hand shower to wash them off. Or I'm thinking too, if there's like a transition period between when they're ready to take a shower and taking a bath, you could then have the handheld a little bit lower to work as a shower. Now I'm standing in Lil's bathroom. This bathroom was definitely one of the trickier ones to figure out the footprint of. I tried it so many different ways, and I did it with a tub and a shower, and then I did it just with a shower, and then finally I landed on, okay, we're gonna do just a shower. Lil's not gonna be like bathtub bound for that much longer, and take a lot of space to have a double vanity so that she has like a little makeup area that she'll grow into. The final footprint, her cabinet will run corner to corner, and again we'll have that situation that I love when a vanity is like sandwiched between 2 wing walls. So the vanity will be here. I'm gonna put the makeup area down here because it's kind of the closest to the window and the natural light, and then her sink will be here. Shower in this corner. And that's where the shower used to be. I'm just gonna make the shower a lot bigger. Before, I think it was probably like a 30 by 30 stall shower, and then the toilet was like right here, and then there was double vanity, and then there was blue tub here in this corner. So now I'll have the toilet here. It'll be a little bit more private, and really excited about the tile in here. It's one of the only, this room and Fisher's room are 2 of the rooms that I just really had the tile figured out, like out of the gate. And so for her, I'm gonna do a subway tile, just brick joint, very classic wall treatment in the shower, and then also as a wainscoting all the way around the room. And then above, there'll be like a tile chair rail cap to stop the wainscoting at like 42 inches. And so above that, I'm gonna use hopefully penny tile, which I wanna do maybe like a pink color. Basically, I'm just trying to use like tile like wallpaper. And I just thought that would be kind of a different approach and would make this room feel really well designed. I like to do the wainscoting, the tile wainscoting at 42 inches high, because that gives you like 6 inches of clearance above the 36-inch countertops. And so that's usually nice because then that kind of doubles as your backsplash at the vanity area. Do you like your bathroom?
No, I don't.
Why?
Oh, in my bathroom.
Where is it? I don't know. It's right there.
I don't see it.
You don't see it? So now we are in Fisher's bathroom. And as you can see, it's a very similar layout to Lula's. Tub shower, area, toilet, vanity. You will have just enough storage. And we're gonna go back with like some sconce lighting. And his tile is really fun. It's actually, I think, the first tile that I figured out. He'll just have marble, basket weave flooring. It'll be Carrara marble with a Nero Marquina dot. And then blue subway tiles. I started with it just on the walls around the shower and tub surround, but then learning more about boys and waterworks, I decided to just go ahead and tile his walls all the way up to the ceiling, all the way around. So this is gonna be pretty watertight space for Mr. Fisher.